Hi everyone, Letty here. Welcome to #CraftyGoals2024. I am using my Crafty stash. I made some more Destash crafty kits. This time the theme is travel. Welcome back everyone. So for #CraftyGoals2024, one of my goals is to make crafty kits. I did do some travel Destash crafty kits with the items you're seeing here. I'll kind of do a quick run through of what I've taken out so far. I have these 12x12 kits from Echo Park. This one I picked up from Hobby Lobby and it was on clearance. It's called Go See Explore. It's a Lori Whitlock one. I have two of them though. And so you can kind of get a little idea of what the patterns look like. I do have two of these. One I think I got in a warehouse box. And then I also have some loose sheets from the Road Trip collection by Card+Envelope. So also sort of Echo Park, but this is Card+Envelope paper, so it's thicker. I have these 12x12 sticker sheet. And then I did buy some separate cut apart sheets that went with this collection. I thought it was just too cute. And so I do have, you see those 3x4 cut aparts, and then we've got some 4x4 cut aparts that came with that part of the kit. And then I have these fun little plates, and then we have some postcards. So again, I had just picked up a few random sheets from a different collection. I've taken those out as well. I pulled out two little 6x6 paper pads. This second one, Road Trip, is the paper pad that coordinates with those big 12x12 sheets. And so I had taken this one out as well. Some more cut aparts in this one, and then some just solid prints, but smaller scale. These are double-sided, so you get patterns on both sides. So again, I just took out a ton of just different travel themed items. I'm planning on making some kits, some crafty Destash kits. The second collection is called Scenic Route. And so here is what comes in this one. You get some more cut aparts and then some more papers as well. And so I'm just really trying to use up my stash this year. And so I decided this quarter, for my flex goal, I would make some Destash crafty kits to put on Etsy. And so here are the paper items I took out, but then I took out some additional stickers. So I've got some of these sticko, sort of thin stickers here. I've got some signs, and then these actually are puffy. So these have more of a puffy dimension to them. And then these are just some flat, probably like planner stickers that I had. And then I also had some very puffy dimensional stickers. These are much more thicker than the other ones. And then I had some of these, and I think these were more also just like sort of planner kind of related stickers, fun little stickers. I think that would be fun to decorate if you're doing a little journal or something. So let's see what I made. So I've already smashed both of the paper pads, the small paper pads. Now, I did also smash the 12x12s, but because the back of the cover had cut aparts, I've used them as well. So that's why you don't have anything left there. And then I did end up using those puffy stickers, the other flat stickers, the other puffies, the little planner stickers. And then I used all of these that had those larger sheets. I used all of those. So these are just my empties. And then I did have one pack of these stickers left over that I'll just put back in my stash, because I just had these extras. Here are all of the scraps that I had left over, which are pretty much just branding strips, really. And then there's a couple pieces of paper, but otherwise it's mostly just branding strips. So that's what I had left over. Let me show you my super fun little kits. And so this one's going to be mine, and I'll have 8 total, 7 that I'll put on Etsy, and then 1 that I'll keep for myself, and I'll try to craft with it next month. You see here, I have included several different things, including a hotel key tag. I am going to throw in a 6x6 envelope because I threw in a 6x6 card base, or a piece of cardstock that was 12x6. Let's show you all the details of what's in this kit. So we've got a 6x6 envelope. I figured that was just sort of a weird size to have, and so you may not have one, so I went ahead and threw one in, because I did throw in a 6x6 card base, which is just a piece of cardstock that's 12x6 folded in half. So I threw in a craft color so it would go great with those colors. So just in case you do need an envelope, you can always decorate that up, add more paper on top, change up that color. I did throw in some solid papers as well. These are 6x6 in size, and I threw in 5 of them. So you've got 5 different colors. A couple of them have some sheen to them, or like shimmer, but the back is sort of a flat color. And so these are basil. I had cut them down from some 12x12 sheets of basil cardstock that I had picked up at Joann's. And so those are, I don't know if you can see it, but those were the colors, the names that I had picked up and added in this kit. I tried to pick colors that would sort of go with these papers. I did include 4 total sheets of 6x6 sheets with the circle at the very top, the hang tag from the 6x6 paper pad. These were just what I had left over. paper, and so I did throw in 4 of those in each of the kits. Then I threw in 10 sheets of 6x6 paper, and these are cut down from the larger 12x12 sheets, and so the scale of the image is much larger. So you got a few sheets that have that smaller scale, but then you also have these sheets that I'm showing you right here with the larger scale, and they are double-sided, so you'll have basically a fourth of those 12x12 sheets, one from each of the ones from those 2 collections that I had shown, or the Echo Park collection that I had 2 of, so that way everybody could get a little sample of those. So those are the 10 sheets, and one of the sheets has these little tickets you could cut up and sort of make additional little tickets for your projects. Then I threw in about 10 to 14 cut aparts in just different sizes. You see some 4x6s. Here's a little postcard. I tried to put one in each kit, and then there are some little segments that are 3x6. I ended up cutting down some sheets of paper down to this size because this is what would fit, and then I also threw in again some 4x4s, 3x4s. Again, I think you got a variety. It's about 10 to 14. You see here I did have to include some of the cut aparts that had the back cover because that's just what came in that kit, but I figured you would glue it down anyway, so it would be okay. So lots of different sizes here. You've got some 3x3s, 3x2s, and then 2x2s. So again, it's just a sort of a mix of different cut aparts in each kit. Each one did also get one of these little small sheets of stickers. These were sort of like little planner stickers. This was just a random sticker that I had on the sheet, so I went in and just threw it in mine. And then I did include one of these little plastic retro hotel keychains in each kit as well. Each one has different colors. I'll show you the final colors in a second. I have some sentiments there, but I've got some puffy stickers that I threw in each of the kits, and then some of those flat stickers that you see there. And then I also did put in a mix of the just random, the cardstock stickers that came in those kits. I cut them up and then I included them. I did print and then die cut out some sentiments. I have 10 of them that I've included in this kit. So safe travels, bon voyage, miss you, happy travels, and then have a fantastic trip, and then also sending hugs, and then vacay time, yay vacay, and then also let's travel. So you see they're all travel themed, and then let's vacay. So those were the items that I am including in this kit. I do have 8 total ones. 7 will go on Etsy. You can see here a quick little snapshot so you can see the different colors of the hotel key tags. And then I will link my Etsy link down below in case you're interested. By the time I post this video, I will have these already on Etsy. And again, this was just me using my stash, making crafty kits as part of my hashtag Crafty Goals 2024. So thanks for visiting, everyone. I hope you had a little bit of inspiration to take out your crafty stash. As always, happy crafting.